Do you ever feel exhausted, but your doctor says everything is fine? Maybe you are always anxious, or your digestion is off, or you cannot sleep properly and nothing seems to help. In Ayurveda, the answer starts with one simple thing: knowing your dosha. In the next few minutes, I am going to explain exactly what that means and how it can change your health completely. In Ayurveda, the ancient Indian science of life, every human being is made of 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. These 5 elements combine to create 3 energy types called doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Every person has all 3 doshas inside them, but 1 or 2 will always be dominant. That dominant dosha is your body's natural blueprint. It shapes how you think, how you digest food, how you handle stress, and how you sleep. Understanding your dosha is the very first step to understanding your health. The first dosha is Vata, made of air and space. If you are a Vata type, you are probably creative, enthusiastic, and full of new ideas. You might be naturally slim, have dry skin, and a quick, active mind. Vata types love change, love to travel, and are always thinking. But when Vata goes out of balance, the air becomes too much. You feel anxious, scattered, and restless. Sleep becomes difficult. Digestion becomes dry and bloated. Your mind races, but you feel exhausted. Does this sound like you? Many people living fast, stressful lives are actually Vata types who are deeply out of balance. To balance Vata, eat warm, cooked, oily foods. Avoid cold drinks and raw salads. Warm sesame oil massage before your shower is one of the most powerful Vata remedies in Ayurveda. A regular daily routine also deeply calms Vata energy because Vata thrives on stability and warmth. The second dosha is Pitta, made of fire and water. Pitta types are the achievers. You are ambitious, focused, organized, and driven. You have a strong digestion, a medium athletic body, and a sharp analytical mind. Pitta types make great leaders and entrepreneurs, but when Pitta goes out of balance, the fire burns too hot. You feel angry, irritable, and impatient. Inflammation, acid reflux, skin rashes, migraines, and burnout become common. Many high-achieving people are Pitta types who have pushed themselves too hard for too long, and their body is now paying the price. To balance Pitta, eat cooling, light foods. Avoid very spicy food and alcohol. Coconut oil for your scalp and cooling herbal teas like rose or mint can calm Pitta fire quickly. Most importantly, build real rest into your day. Pitta types often feel guilty about resting, but in Ayurveda, rest is not laziness. Rest is medicine. The third dosha is Kapha, made of earth and water. Kapha is the most loving, stable, and patient of all 3 doshas. If you are a Kapha type, you are calm, loyal, nurturing, and incredibly strong. You have a naturally larger, well-built body, beautiful glowing skin, and a long memory. Kapha types are the most reliable people because they are the ones everyone comes to for comfort and support. But when Kapha goes out of balance, the earth becomes too heavy. You feel sluggish, unmotivated, and heavy in body and mind. Weight gain, low energy, and depression can follow. The good news is that Kapha responds beautifully to simple daily habits. To balance Kapha, move your body every single morning, even for just 10 minutes. Dry brushing your skin before a shower stimulates circulation and removes heaviness. Eat light, warm, spiced foods. Ginger, turmeric, and black pepper are Kapha's best friends. Kapha types need a gentle push to get started, but once they do, they have the most beautiful endurance of all 3 doshas. Now you know the 3 doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, but knowing your dosha is just the beginning. True healing happens when an experienced Ayurvedic doctor assesses your unique constitution and creates a personalized program just for you.